Hi students, welcome. We are discussing about how to draw the projection of lines as per the given problem. Our problem is a line LM 70 mm long has its end L 10 mm above HP and 15 mm in front of VP. The top view and front view of line measures 60 mm and 40 mm respectively. Draw the projection of straight line and find apparent angles and inclination angles. Clear? So in this problem, a line LM is nothing but true length. Clear? Is 70 mm they given. The end L is 10 mm above HP and 15 mm in front of VP. The end L. The top view and front view of line measures. So top view length is nothing but planned length. How much? The top view 60 mm and front view length is nothing but EL, elevation length. So top view length plan also called as plan length, front view length is also called as elevation length. So the elevation length how much in this problem? 40 mm, because in this problem the top view and front view of line measures 60 mm and 40 mm respectively. So first value first one, second value second one. Clear? So draw the projection. So first you draw one XY reference line, then you draw one line perpendicular to XY. On that line you mark the end L. How much distance above and in front means 10 mm above, so L dash, and 15 mm in front, this is L. Clear? After that you draw the locus parallel to XY from L dash, this is locus of L dash. One more parallel lines, locus of L. Clear? After that, in this problem the three straight line values are given: true length, plan length, elevation length. And what they are asking means draw the position of straight line and find apparent angles. Apparent angle means you know well, this is alpha and beta. Okay, and inclination angles. Inclination means true length makes an angle with HP, theta and pi. So they are asking the four angles. How much? Clear? Right. We know that this is true length makes an angle theta value, but we don't know theta value, but we know the line length 70 mm. Similar case here also, from L you draw true length, it makes an angle pi, but we know the 70 mm true length dimension, but we don't know pi value. Clear? And next thing, we know that in the final previous problem L dash and M dash, it is the locus of M dash. Clear? So this makes an angle alpha. Okay, so this distance and here the M2 distance, M2 dash distance, both are same in previous problem. But in this case, reverse case, we don't know that here the locus line also. Clear? Here locus line also we don't know, but here this distance is from L dash, in that locus of L dash line. Okay, from L dash the horizontal distance, this end you consider as M2 front view dash. So L dash to M2 dash, the distance is 40. Similarly, locus of L line from L you mark the distance is 60 mm, this is M1. Clear? Right. After that LM. Clear? LM1. Here L dash M2 dash, the distance is, this is 40, this one is 60. Clear? Then here M2 dash we get means where we get in previous problem M2 dash means from M2 here somewhere. So here to here we get M2 dash. Similar case we get M1 means that M1 point, M1 dash point, it comes here previous case. Okay, so now you draw that line towards downwards. Similar case from M1 you draw one line towards upward. Are you understand? Right. On that two vertical lines you intersect, that dimension of true length is 70. So take 70 mm as the radius, L dash as the center, intersect arc on that vertical line. This is M1, therefore this one is M1 dash. Now from L you intersect arc on that same 72 length size 70 mm distance is intersect arc on that line from M2 dash. That intersection point considered as M2. Clear? So now this is the locus of M. This is the locus of M dash. Clear? Now we know that locus of M dash and M, as it is same procedure. Which one? L dash M2 dash, it is a 40 distance, you draw one arc. So this is finally M dash. Clear? L M1 is a radius, L as the center, you draw one arc. This is final M. Correct? So now you join that ends L dash M dash, it is elevation length as it is equal to 40. This is L M. Clear? It is L M. This is plan length. The distance is 60. Let us assume this is 60. This is both are equal. Okay, it is approximate rough diagram. Clear? So therefore this angle is apparent angle alpha. How much you measure it as per our given question. Next, this one is beta, that also apparent angle. Okay, that is nothing but the top you makes an angle. So beta, that also you measure it, how much. Clear? Similarly, a line joining L dash and M dash, sorry, M1 dash, this is true length is as it is 70 mm. This angle, it is theta. Mark it, how much. We get theta value also. Similarly, line joining L and M2, this is also same true length is equal to 70 as per the given value. So this angle how much? It is pi. Measure it. That also over. Clear? So final shape, everything is same. But in previous problem, theta pi value they given, we are constructed, finally we get ELPL. Now in this problem, the ELPL values are given, you determine theta, pi, alpha and beta. Clear? M dash M, it's coincided in a single vertical line means our answer is correct. Thank you.